Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Huddleston from Southview Elementary. Today in our reading mini lesson, we learned that sometimes characters change because of things that happen to them. In the story, All for Me and None for All, Gruntley learns to share and be nice because other kids were nice to him and didn't take his trail mix. Cluck helped Gruntley find his trail mix and was nice. On Mirette on the High Wire, we also learned that Mirette wants to be a tightrope walker. She meets Bellini, she watches him, learns from him, and helps him. You're going to read a fiction book today and see whether you notice if a character changes in your story. Make sure to bring the book back with you so that you can share with us when we come back together. Have a good day.